Hi, I'm Bella Vasta, and I've been coaching small businesses since 2007. And here's the thing. Every leader thinks that the problem is that people aren't listening, but it's usually you not being clear. So here's my 5 strategies for keeping every stakeholder aligned, heard, and happy. Let's go. 1, be human. You are a human talking to another human, and we're all scared of something. So let people know who you are. What makes you tick? Don't be afraid to be just a little bit vulnerable. What you do on your day-to-day off, like your day off, and don't make it fluffy, like I went to Starbucks. That's how trust gets built between humans. Number 2, nobody can read your mind. Put it in writing. You said it once, it doesn't mean that they remember it. Don't ever assume that memory is enough. Repeat it and then follow up in writing every single time. Number 3, learn the swap. Does that make sense? Don't say that. Say, how does it make you feel? Did I miss anything? What did you hear me say? Those phrases pull people into the conversation instead of talking at them. Number 4, kill the echo chamber. That's my own framework. Always ask, what am I missing? Poke holes in it. Do it with your team. Do it with AI. Most people never ask AI to disagree with them or their human team. Do it. It'll open up worlds of communication. Number 5, stop typing, start talking. I write to AI maybe 10% of the time. The rest I talk. Faster, richer, way more thoughts get in. Same goes for your team and your clients. When you're sending them information or you're sending them an email and you're using AI to help you, you always want to be talking it. Your message will be that much richer. That's it. 5 strategies. Use them and watch every stakeholder actually feel aligned, heard, and happy. It's that simple. I'm Bella Vasta. You can find me at bellavasta.com or on Bella in Your Business or my other podcast, AI for the Busy Human. Always keep jumping.